How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, here in eastern Iowa, we've had a little bit of damage in the recent, our past couple of days. Derecho 2020. If you guys don't know what derecho is, basically it is a severe thunderstorm that comes through with hurricane force winds. The derecho had sustained winds of 112 miles an hour in the area, which is enough to rip roofs off, siding, and drop massive trees on houses. Luckily in our area here, I lost a flagpole, and really that's about it. We had a few down limbs, but nothing that I'm going to complain about too much, because there's much more significant things. I mean, we were without power for a couple of days, like a day and a half, but other than that, we survived pretty well. And unfortunately, it caused a lot of widespread destruction. A lot of the main damage was where my mother and father-in-law live. So I loaded the old Mahindra Max 26 up, and we headed north. And I thought maybe I'd share with you guys to kind of show you what this tractor can do. So we're going to be moving and skidding logs around with the back of the tractor, and also hauling large logs and brush with the pallet forks in the front. Wish I had a grapple, I don't, but hopefully I'll get something in the future. Stick around and we'll start moving some brush. hope you guys enjoyed following along today. This tractor worked really well. It held up well, and you know, it's what's crazy is how fuel efficient this thing is. It's a 26 horsepower motor, and I can run around between 1,500 and 2,000 RPMs consistently. And I ran the tractor for around 9 hours the other day, and I burned, I mean, right at 3 gallons of fuel. So I was really surprised by that, and it's a really efficient running little tractor. So like usual, if you guys like the video, give me that thumbs up here. If you have any feedback, put it down here below in the comments, and I look forward to making further improvements here on the channel. So good, bad, positive, negative, whatever, I don't care, put it down below. If you guys have had storm damage, let me know. I'd like to hear about it as well. I don't know how many of you are here from Eastern Iowa, but it was a mess this way. If you're not a member of the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell next to it so you get notifications when I post more videos. I appreciate all the subscriptions thus far and all the views. I'm happy with how we're growing the channel, and hopefully we can keep making the family bigger. Stick around for more videos. I've got some more coming up here. I bought some new edge tamers, and we'll show those on the bucket and how they work, and go from there. So thanks for watching. Until next time, thank you for watching K6 Outdoors. I'll see ya.